Dive 766 on the Unkai Maru No.6 in Truk Lagoon. This dive was from March 2025 and was one of a weeks-long liveaboard on the Truk Odyssey. We started the dive descending down towards the bow, and we have this nice bow gun here which I'm rotating around. The barrel sticks out to the left there, and on top of the barrel in the middle of the screen you can see one of the bullets which has been propped up on the gun. Spinning around the barrel, the next shot has this bit of machinery which looks like it rotates and is growing some oysters on it. And a nice feature of this gun is you can still see the maker's mark there. And there's my buddy also getting some shots of the gun as we start to move down to the hold number 1 at the front of the ship, panning over it here and then up to one of the masts. And then we descended down into the first cargo hold. There's some lanterns there on the bottom of the wreck. And the main cargo in this hold were shoes and boots, the soles of which you can see scattered around, as well as some gas masks, which someone has collected up and put on this wheel. A couple food cans and bottles there. And then we exit back up to the deck level, heading aft past these davits, where we can see the fallen smokestack. This is about midships on the wreck, the smokestack, and to the starboard side was a skylight which we can enter into to get into the engine room. Descending down over the engine here, we then did a fairly narrow swim through down another level to get to some of the machinery. Quite dark down here, being 2 levels into the ship, but you can see some gauges there with English writing, as well as some switch panels, and in the next shot a valve. Our time was up after this, so we exited out the 2 levels and ended the dive.